Hi student, this is Sivakumar, 11th standard mathematics chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.6. Now problem number 5. Show that sin 8x into cos x minus sin 6x into cos 3x whole divided by cos 2x into cos x minus sin 3x into sin 4x equals tan 2x. Here we have to apply sin A cos B. This is A, this is B. Like that, A, B, this is A, B, A and B. This is of the form sin A cos B. Sin A cos B, that is equal to half into sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. For this also I have to apply the same identity. Here cos A cos B. Cos A cos B, that is equal to half into cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. This is the form sin A sin B. Sin A sin B, that is equal to half into cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. That is equal to half into sin of A plus B, 8x plus x, that is 9x, plus sin of A minus B, 8x minus x, that is equal to 7x, minus half into 6x plus 3x, same identity only, 6x plus 3x, that is 9x, sin 9x, plus sin of A minus B, 6x minus 3x, that is equal to 3x, whole divided by, for this you have to apply this identity, half into cos of A plus B, A that is 2x, B that is x, 2x plus x, 3x plus cos of A minus B, 2x minus x, that is equal to x, minus half into, for this you have to apply this identity, cos of A minus B, cos of A minus B, 3x minus 4x, that is equal to minus x, minus cos of A plus B, 3x plus 4x, that is equal to 7x. That is equal to, take off as common half into sin 9x plus sin 7x. I have taken off only common, minus will be there, minus sin 9x, minus into plus minus sin 3x, whole divided by, here also we can take off as common cos 3x plus cos x as it is. I have taken minus common, off only common, minus will be there. Cos of minus x, that is equal to cos x only. I write the reason here, cos of minus theta, that is equal to cos theta. Then minus into minus plus cos 7x. Sin 9x, this is sin. Sin 9x minus sin 9x get cancelled like that. Cos x minus cos x get cancelled. Even half of get cancelled. So which one is left out here? Sin 7x minus sin 3x. Sin 7x minus sin 3x divided by cos 7x plus cos 3x. I write the higher angle at first. Cos 7x, then cos 3x. Even if you write cos 3x plus cos 7x, you'll be getting the answer right. So in between two trigonometry functions, we have minus, here we have plus, so you have to consider them as C and D. These two angles to be considered as C and D. What form it is? Sin C minus sin D. This one is cos C plus cos D. Sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D, that is equal to 2 cos of C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. And here cos C plus cos D, that is equal to 2 cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2 equals. Now we can apply that identity to write as it is. Cos C plus D by 2, see that is 7x, here 3x. 7x plus 3x by 2 sin of 7x minus 3x by 2. For the denominator, you have to apply this identity. 2 into cos of C plus D, 7x plus 3x divided by 2 into cos of C minus D, 7x minus 3x divided by 2 equals 2 get cancelled. Cos 7x plus 3x is 10x, 10x by 2, that is equal to 5x into sin of 7x minus 3x, 4x, 4x by 2, that is equal to 2x divided by cos of 7x plus 3x is 5x, 10x, 10x by 2, that is equal to 5x, cos of 7x minus 3x equal to 4x, 4x by 2, that is equal to 2x. These two get cancelled. Sin 2x divided by cos 2x, that is equal to tan 2x. I write one more step here, that is equal to sin 2x divided by cos 2x. Same angle. What form it is? Sin theta divided by cos theta, that is equal to tan theta. Therefore, tan 2x. You can write the reason here. Since sin theta divided by cos theta, that is equal to tan theta. That is equal to RHS. Look at that RHS here. So RHS, that is in problem number 5, is tan 2x. We have proved here. So problem number 5 is completed. Then I will be teaching the problem number 6 in the next video. Thank you, children.